Power pumping is a technique that is often used by families that are exclusively pumping. Babies do this really important work that's called cluster feeding, and that's where they tend to nurse a bit more often during times of rapid growth. So they'll nurse a bunch and just want to be at the breast a bit more often than normal as a way to increase that milk supply. So when we're exclusively pumping, we want to mimic that behavior. This would not be a replacement for your normal pumping schedule, but it would be what we would continue to do is replace one of your pumping sessions with a power pumping session. So if you pump 7 times a day or 8 times a day, we would continue with 7 normal pumping sessions and then replace that 8th pumping session with a power pumping session. Which time of day you choose is totally up to you. Some families like to do it in the morning, some like to do it in the evening. There's no right or wrong answer here. It's truly what fits best with your schedule. So what you'll do is you will get a double electric breast pump and you will pump both breasts at the same time. We want to have 40 minutes of pumping time in a 60-minute period of time. So what we will do is we're going to pump for 20 minutes, take a break for 10, pump for 10, take a break for 10, pump for 10, and then finish. And that is going to be or conclude that power pumping session. And then we can do this for, 3 or so days in a row, and then return back to our normal pumping session. This technique can boost progress, and so can be a helpful tool for those families that are exclusively pumping.